have the Flow Desk 2 from this company which designs smart tables which will adjust to your height, your preference, and there are many customizable parts here. I'm going to need help here, so I'm going to invite my dear friend Levis, please. It's a very funny thing for him is because I don't really invite him like this. He's already there in some of the videos.
Thank you so much for making me a part of this amazing video.
It's just too heavy for me to do it by myself. So we're gonna unbox this. We're gonna have a proper review of this table coming out soon. But for now, we're just gonna go through how we set up the table.
It looks very interesting.
The interesting part is gonna be the tabletop. It's made out of proper wood. It's heavy. I think it's around 25 kgs. We needed 2 people to carry it. So let's get started. This is the base that the table stands on.
Okay.
And this is the whole mechanism which raises the height of the table and lowers it. Massive and heavy components.
So they have been very good with the packing also. To make sure that there's no damage.
This has been shipped to us from Delhi. I'm going to sit down because this might take a while. Let's start with these smaller components.
So what do you think is this?
That's a coaster, I believe, for maybe a mug. But this is the interesting one here. This is a proper MagSafe charger, which sits on top and
What do you charge with this?
your wireless devices.
Oh,
Like your phone, maybe your AirPods, and it's Type-C, so it's going to be faster. I know what this is. I'll leave this one to you. I'll open this one. I accidentally got a cable. It's not damaged that much. So, bro, when you're opening that up,
this one is the one. If you guys can zoom it and see. Should I open this too?
oh, this is the base plate where your components or your wires will sit. And this can be again adjusted or configured as per your height.
We have a duster also, guys. I guess this is a duster.
No, that's not a duster.
Looks like one.
This is also again a MagSafe device. So there's a magnetic strip on top of the table. You can keep it on top of it. It's magnetized, so it won't move. And then you can put your phones or maybe your iPad to it and use it as a stand.
Now the most interesting part, guys.
This is a tabletop. Something that
I hope you're
you
like
and I
excited.
will see this day in, day out. Oh, I love the color already.
Looks very classy to me.
Proper solid wood. This is the MagSafe belt. So all the magnetized components that we have, they go on top here. We'll put the table upside down, mount the legs first, the motorized legs, and then we'll flip it back on its legs. They have labeled both the sides for the motorized legs, so it's easy for you guys to assemble at home as well. It's a very neat touch. We'll start by mounting the motorized legs first. So these wires go into the central controller here. We'll be opening this plate here and then we'll put it back so that those wires don't hang out or hang below the desk, making it look untidy. And we have to take out these stickers here, remove these 2 screws here, a life-size Lego set that we are working on. So you'll get this nice assembly kits for cars, planes, whatever you could make from those parts. There's a packet by the label A. There are 4 screws in here. 2 are already mounted on either of the sides, so you will actually need just 2 of each on both the sides. We should have ideally had a competition like who mounts the legs first.
Obviously, then I would have beat you.
Mounted the main motorized legs here. The flat tops which will come, we'll mount those later. But first, we'll connect the wires up and then attach the base plate once again so that they're neat and tidy. This is the main control module which controls the legs or the heights or the memory function is stored right here. This is the main control unit where you can set the different memory heights or the height functions for the table. So there's a memory function available for it, or you can just adjust the height manually. This thing goes right. Another packet here. So these are tie cables, and they also have a sticky end up to the side, so you can directly stick the cables to the side. So this is a packet C. There are 2 screws in this. These 2 screws are for the control module, which sits here. The only wire that is left now to connect this whole setup is the main power cable, and then we are done with all the cables. So there's one last component that we need to fix underneath the table before we mount the legs properly, is this thing here. This will act as a nice base or a chamber for maybe your extension boards or extra wires that come your way, and you have these L joints here. There are 3 of them, 2 on the front, and there will be 1 that goes on the back. So we'll quickly mount those. In the packet marked B, there are 8 screws, 4 for each of these legs. It's time to power this up. This is the last bit of packaging that was left. Now this table can take up to 120 kgs of weight on the top.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm very sure.
So in case if I sit on this,
You know what? We've just powered it up. Why don't you sit on it? And we'll try raising the height. I'll hold the table just in case.
does it show my weight?
No, it's not a weighing machine.
I hope.
Sit a little more inside. Here goes.
Can someone get me a coffee?
It really works, man.
Can someone get me a cup of coffee, right? It's good for meditation. I hope it doesn't fall.
So this is amazing.
Maybe take it down, it's kind of scary.
Yeah, I want to see. Oh, frick. I'm 6 feet tall. This is around.
And I'm 6'5" right now.
This is probably around 5.1 right now in terms of height. That's amazing.
This is the max it could go?
Yeah, you want it higher? And this has been the unboxing of the Flow Desk 2. We had some fun doing this. It was like going back to the childhood. We have a proper review of this coming out soon. This is Aurelius from Pingula Tech, and this is
Levis signing out.
Stay tuned for more such videos. Have a good evening, guys.
Get me my coffee, guys. I'm in love.
He's just loving this table.